We're working on question number 7 here for our fraction word problem workbook here. The question number 7 says that Sam baked some cookies and he gave 1/6 of the cookies to his sibling. As before, I'm going to create a straight line to indicate the entire number of cookie that he baked. So on the right hand side, I'm going to populate with the fraction itself. So he gave 1/6 to the sibling. And then he gave 45 of the cookies to his friends. So actual 45 cookies itself. I'm going to write anything with the dimension value. Right now, it is going to be cookies to the friends on the left hand side. And this is the amount that was given to him, to his friends. And 2/3 was left. Right? So on the right hand side would be purely fraction. And on the left hand side is actually dimension value. It's the number of cookies that was given to friend. So the question is asking in part A is how many cookies was left here. So basically we're looking for this value here. The way to do it is, first of all, you're going to have to find out what is the fraction value for 45 cookies to friends. And the first thing you have to know to tackle this is that on the fraction side, the entire total is always equal to 1. Right? So we're going to say 1 minus 1/6 to sibling minus 2/3 that was left. That's going to give you the actual fraction for their friends. So before we do this, we're going to have to make the denominator same as everyone so that we can do a subtraction. So to get 6 for 3, you basically multiply that by 2. And whatever you do with the denominator, you're going to have to do the same thing with the numerator. So I'm just going to copy 1/6 from here down. And then 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. Now to make 1 into a fraction, we're going to say 6 divided by 6, which is obviously going to give you a value of 1. And that has made all our denominator common, as you can see. With that, you can do a subtraction. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. And just copy the denominator like that. So 1/6 of them was given to friends. That is your fraction for 45. So if 1 unit out of 6 is 45, and we know that 2/3 is from here, if we make into common denominator, is actually 4/6 itself. The question is, how many is 4 units where if 1 unit is 45? So basically, the math becomes pretty straightforward. 45 times 4, this 4 came from here. And then we get value of 180 cookies. So the 180 cookies was left. That's the answer for part A itself. So part B says that he packed the leftover cookies into 18 bags. And some bags contain 6 cookies while the rest bags contain 12 cookies. How many bags contain 6 cookies? In order to tackle that, we need to draw the bags here. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 18 bags right now. Now to find out how many number of bags contain 12 cookies, we basically take the 180, which is the left, divided by 12. It gives you the value of 15. Let's work it out together here. By 12, 1, 12, 6, 0, 60. And that's how you get 15 itself, right? So 15 bags, if we equally divide it with 12, you get 12 cookies, you get 15 bags. So if I put here 12, 12, 12. But in order to make 18 bags altogether, you're going to have 6 cookies in some of them. The way to do it is to basically take the last 3 of these 12 and divide them into 6 bags each. 6 cookies in each bag. So basically remove 6 and this becomes 6. And the removal of 6 goes to this 6 bag here. And 6, 6. So you take out 6 from this 12 bag of cookies and then put it in here 6. And this equally divided. Now you have 18 bags altogether. And at the same time, you have some bags with 6 cookies in it. The answer to B would be 6 bags would contain 6 cookies.